Hit it!
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. All praises go to the Most High Yah. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another day. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Joyce McTeer, and welcome to another jewelry design technique class. Okay, so I am coming to y'all with these classes just like I promised. Okay, so I have another class. This is the class right here. And this class is called Alphabet Tower. And for those of you who are interested, and for those of you who already know what's what, but for those of you who are interested in taking a class that I offer, you're going to click on the description box, okay? And at the top where it says M-O-R-E, more, you're going to click that button. More is right. It's going to be right on the video. You're going to see it. And you click that, and that's going to drop down into my description box. Inside of that description box, I am going to tell you pretty much everything about the class. You will make your payment through PayPal, which I will have attached to down in the description box. Once you make your payment, I will send you your class via email. So when you make your payment, please make sure that you attach your email information to the class, so that once I receive your payment, I will know where to send it. You're going to learn how to create these through a step-by-step instructional video. So by the time you take that class and you finish, you will be able to create these beautiful earrings through a jewelry design technique. If you are interested, please click down in the description box. The price of the class and everything will be down there for you, so you don't have to reach out to me and ask me the price. The price will be there. Once you make your payment, I will send you your class via email. Once again, I want to say thank you so very much for your support. I greatly appreciate it. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.